Let's see how to search Word document for certain words in Microsoft Word. First off, we want to open Microsoft Word. And as you can see right here, we have our document ready. Now, let's say that you want to look for certain words so that you can edit it or change the formatting or do whatever you want with those words. Now, instead of manually going over your document, what you can do is use the find function that is in Microsoft Word. So click on the Home tab and you'll see the find feature or function right here in the editing section. It's the first one. And when you click this navigation pane will open on the left side and you can simply type in your word right here. So for example, I want to look for the word video. And as you can see right here, Microsoft Word will automatically look for those words and they will show up right here at the left. And you'll also notice that they show up in order according to which part they are in the document. I hope this helped, and I will see you soon.